All right, dear children, welcome back to the class. We're looking at this chapter called Coordinate Geometry, and almost we completed it. Almost we came to end of it. In 9th standard only, we learned the 10th standard syllabus also, and so many MCQs, also assignments are given. Now let us look into this. I gave you some homework yesterday, and this model you must be clear. That is, find the coordinates of point which divides the line joining 2, 3 and minus 3, minus 4 in the ratio 2:3. So this is clear to you. You will consider this as a m1 and this as m2 and these points as a x1, y1 and this as x2, y2, and you will do it. You know the formula for x and y. X equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So you know that. So you are going to do that. But how about this form? This problem, many of you are finding it difficult, I guess. In a what ratio does 1, 2 divides the line joining 2, 3 and minus 6, minus 5? They're asking. Okay, in what ratio they're asking? Okay, so let me do this. I mean, this 10th standard exercise also is given as homework. Let me do this problem. Okay, so here is one point and here is another point. So let me name this point as A and this one as B. Now these coordinates of point A are given or not? So these points A coordinate are given. What is that? In what ratio does 1, 2 divides the line joining 2, 3 and minus 6, minus 5? That is like 2, 3 I'm going to write here. And next one I will write it here minus 6, minus 5. Now, is it all right, dear children? Whatever I have written?
Yes, sir.
Now, the line joining these 2 points, in which ratio this point they are given. What is that? 1, 2. Whatever 1, 2 is there, no? So that 1, 2, whatever it is there. So here is that point that is like 1, 2. So this is like C. In what ratio? What ratio means m1 divided by m2 they are asking, no, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
In what ratio does this point 1, 2 divides the line joining 2, 3 and minus 6, minus 5, right? This is what they are asking, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, can I call this one as x1, y1 and this one as x2, y2 and this one as x and y? So this 1, 2 is x and y, no? Tell me.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now you have formula for x, no? X is equal to, what is the formula? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, right? You have this formula. Then afterwards x means what? X means 1 and that is equal to m1 means what? We don't know. Into x2 means what? Minus 6 is there. m1 into minus 6 plus m2 means what? We don't know. Into x2 means what? Sorry, m2 into x1 means what? 2 is there. Then divided by m1 plus m2. Can I write like this? Tell me,
Yes,
can I
sir.
write it or not? Okay. So everything as per the schedule, I mean, whatever methods are there, according to that only I'm writing here. So this x is 1. So that formula is m1 x2. m1 into x2 means minus x plus m2 into x1 means 2. Then divided by m1 plus m2. Now I'm going to send this m1 plus m2 that side and there is only 1. Only 1 is there. So 1 into m1 plus m2 means it becomes m1 plus m2 only. It is m1 plus m2 and that is equal to, tell me, what will come here? Minus 6m1 plus 2m2, no? Minus 6m1 plus 2m2 or not?
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me. m1 into minus 6 is minus 6m1 and m2 into 2 is 2m2. Now you send this minus 6m1 this side and m2 that side. So what it becomes? It becomes m1 plus 6m1 is equal to 2m2 minus m2, no?
Yes, sir.
So now what it becomes? It becomes 7m1 is equal to 2m2 minus m2 means it is m2. Now 1m2, I mean m2 means 1m2 only. So now if you bring this m2 this side, it becomes m1 divided by m2 and that is equal to 1 by 7, no? So this ratio, don't you think this ratio is 1:7?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So very simple, right? Did you understand this problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
Okay, you should be able to do it. Shall I go to next problem?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I mean, Next problem, as in the complete syllabus is over now of 9th and 10th standard, whatever coordinate geometry was there, no, 9th standard and 10th standard, complete coordinate geometry, all fundamentals are over now. Okay, now you have completed 9th as well as 10th standard coordinate geometry. If any one of you haven't attended these classes, means they are uploaded on YouTube. Okay, you can go to the playlist. You know how to go to playlist, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can go to the playlist there. You can always check there. Class 9, class 10, class 12, class 11 topics are less there because we are majorly doing class 10 and class 12 now. 8th also will keep on uploading. So all these lectures will be there, and any chapter, 10th standard chapter also, if you want to learn, they are already available there. Okay, you can start to study your 10th standard syllabus also at any time. All right, dear children.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think this chapter is over. Now you are going to enter into coordinate geometry, a textbook, and you are going to solve all the questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, whenever you get any doubt, no, anyway, let me send this. I'm not going to end the class. I'm going to talk few things to you. Whenever you get any doubts, no, so you can ask me anytime. You can ask me all those textbook doubts. You can send me whatever exercise problems you have. Then those will be solved. Okay. Now it is your responsibility to solve all these 10th standard exercise problems also. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Will
sir.
you solve them? Will you solve them? Now,
Yes, sir.
have a complete glance at this chapter. What we discussed. This is a document what I have shared. So this is Cartesian system. You know, origin we called it. The x-axis and y-axis together. It is called Cartesian system. I told you. Okay. This can be written like this also, and it can be taken in any other form also. Okay, 6 planes are there, but 6 planes I discussed, no, that xy plane, all those planes, but here it is the only one plane we are talking about, and this is divided into 4 quadrants here. So after dividing them into 4 quadrants, so we discussed about this, how to recognize the points, how to plot the points, and all we have discussed. Then after that, in which quadrant these points lie, that also we discussed. Okay, and we discussed about x and y status in first, second, and third and fourth quadrant. Then we discussed so many points. Okay, in which quadrant they come, that also we discussed. And whatever this x coordinate is there, that is also called as abscissa, and y coordinate is called as ordinate. Did I tell you this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Then after that, we have plotted the points. Many points we have learned. Then 10th standard coordinate geometry we started, and we discussed distance formula. This is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. The distance between a and b will be under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. On this, we did a direct problem, given points and find the distance. That also we did. Then after that, with minus also we took. Then after that, distance between origin and point alpha beta. Origin means it is 0, 0, no? So that also we did. Then one more problem I gave you, and you did that. And find the value of k such that distance between this 0, 2 and k, 4 is 10 units. That also we have solved. Then after that, find the value of p such that 2, p is equidistant from 3, 4 and 4, 2. So this is one more model. The formula is same, but models are different or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Then I gave you some homework also. Look at this, all these homeworks I have given you. Then area of triangle we started to discuss. We discussed about collinear points and non-collinear points. Then how the triangle is formed. All these points we named. Then we have this formula of area of triangle. Big formula, but easy formula. Okay. Then direct question is like points are given and we ask them to find the area. Then you found out. Then after that, I gave some as homework. Look at this. So this one as homework. Homework as in I solved here only, not as homework. So then this we got. Then I gave these as homework. No, 1, 2, 3. Did you solve all of these and you told the answers also? No.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Then after that, if minus is coming means I asked you to take it as plus. Then area of triangle formed by collinear points is 0. That means if they're asking you to check whether these points are collinear or not, means you have to find the area. If that area is coming to be 0, then those points are collinear, no? Yes or no? If area is coming to be 0 means those points are collinear. Okay, find the value of k such that these points are collinear, means this value k you have to find out. So that means area you have to take 0 and then you have to find the value of k. Did you understand all these problems, dear children, how to do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, after that, find
Yes,
the
sir.
value of such that area of the triangle formed by these points 1, 8, 2, 4, and 0, 3 is 50 square units. We found out this. Here we took it as 50 because area is mentioned as 50. Yes, we found out that value. So a direct area, collinear, value of k, these three kinds of problems. Okay, we solved them. Then section formula, we came through that. In section formula, I was explaining this half, full pant, and 3/4 also. And I discussed what is a ratio. And I told you the formula also in M1, M2 ratio. That what are the coordinates of this? They will give you this x1, y1, x2, y2, m1, m2, and they will ask you x and y. And they will give x1, y1, xy, and x2, y2, and they will ask you m1, m2. So we solved those kind of problems also, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so
Yes, sir.
don't you think chapter is over now? Only these concepts are there, and everything is over now. 9th and 10th. Now, what is your task? I told you. You have to solve all 10th standard exercise. I told you, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, yes, sir. So,
Somebody is
coordinate lesson.
Somebody is asking something. Yes, what you are asking?
Sir, you told you will send 10th standard coordinate geometry, sir. Lesson.
Geometry lesson to your thing. Okay, so let me see whether it is there or not. Coordinate geometry in the file. I don't know whether it is a class 10 MCQ on coordinate geometry, MCQs on coordinate geometry. These all MCQs are there. Here it is. Here it is. I think class 10 MCQs are there. These are there in catalog. You want a textbook? No, I will be sending that. After the class, I will send that. That is for sure. Yesterday, I must have forgotten that. I will send you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, I'll
Yes,
send you today for sure. After the class, I'll be sending you. So from that, you have to solve the problem. Will you solve the problems, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So immediately you start to solve the problem so that you perfect in them. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
those who did not attend these lessons, you have coordinate geometry 1, coordinate geometry 2, coordinate geometry 3, 4, 5 videos will be there in the app itself. You can watch them, then you can start to solve them. Okay, dear children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to end this class. Then I will come on video and then I will talk to you a few things. Okay. Thank you very much for attending the class. Have a good day. Bye bye.